In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can rename a Spotify playlist on your phone. Alright, so once you've launched up Spotify and you're on the main page, go ahead and tap on your library at the bottom right. And then once you're on this page, you want to make sure that you're on the playlist section and then select the playlist that you want to go ahead and rename. So I'll select this rap playlist as an example. Now, depending on what type of device you have, either Android or an iPhone, you will notice 3 vertical dots there on my phone at the top right. It might be in the middle of the screen on an iPhone, but tap on those 3 dots and then you will see a button that says Edit Playlist. Tap on that. And once you're on the Edit Playlist screen, you can go ahead and tap on there where it says the name and you can go ahead and rename it. So I'll just rename it. So I've just renamed my playlist. All I need to do from here is tap on the Save button. And we can go back into my library and you can see the name has changed. So that is how you rename a Spotify playlist on your phone. And this will work on both Android devices and iOS devices. If you got some value out of this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing. Take care.